Hi, it's Emily with WTI, and this is the thermal insulated carafe from Winco. We use this for creamer. It actually keeps any liquid hot or cold with its double vacuumed insulated design, but we love it as a creamer dispenser for when we've got a coffee station out and guests, because it keeps dairy products like half and half or cream really chilled for hours. It's super easy to fill. You just turn this top all the way open to fill it, and then you can turn it all the way to have it be totally sealed, or just give it a half turn and you can dispense whatever liquid's inside. So super user friendly. It's really sturdy. It's got a really simple design with black and stainless, and that goes really well with our other hosting paraphernalia. I love the sturdy handle as well. Like I said, this keeps creamer cold for hours, which is awesome when you're hosting an event. So if you're someone who hosts events too, I think you'd be really happy with this purchase. And that's my point of view.